Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And in today's video, this is a happy mail swap and also birthday celebration to my dear friend Cami. So we agree in swapping Maggie Holmes envelope flip book, and because it's her birthday, I wanted to surprise her and do more other handmade goodies and also some store-bought goodies. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at what I'm giving her. I'm gonna move this box around. So the first one is this unicorn box that I got at Home Goods, and I am including the Paige Evans ribbon that I got at Hobby Lobby a couple of weeks ago, and I got these at Michael's, and these are stamps, kind of like summary. This one I got at the dollar section at Target. It's a pen, and more of the dollar section Target, so she can have some note cards and some sticky notes, just something, little things here and there for her. Nothing extravagant or expensive. And so this is the first one, and I put together this wand. See if you guys can see it. And again, it's with Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams paper collection. This is carousel, couple of a doily. I also used some of my dies. Got these other two doilies, and the unicorn, it's made of resin. I ordered this at AliExpress, and the Prima marketing flower with a pink glitter heart cut apart. And then put here, handmade with love, and Hobby Lobby trims, and some of satin and pearls and more trim just to give some texture. I show these wand in my Instagram account, and it seems like everybody liked it. So, and the other goodie that I put together for her is this mail hoop summer theme, and I put together some of the toppers and made a few things, and this is like store-bought. This one is from Heidi's Swaplet. So let's take a look around at the mail hoop. Has my name, handmade with love. Use the Hobby Lobby ribbon, again Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams paper collection. The same with this chipboard, and this is from Echo Park Summer Fun. Some of the die cuts. Then we have these. Let's just put together this topper. This is Heidi Swap. These are rub-on foil kits, so she can use it on her projects. This one is again from Summer Fun Echo Park stickers. Oop, got the price there. And I put this rosette long time ago, and I made this with cupcake linings. If you want to see the tutorial on this rosette, I am going to leave the video in the description box below so you can see it. And this is from Target. It's a note card with a sticker, and this topper again, she can reuse it or whatever she wants to do it with it. The same thing here too, so I didn't glue this. The other one, this is from Mary made some of the mermaid toothpicks and more die cut parts from the Echo Summer Fun collection with a little topper. And again, my famous memory decks cards You know how much I love to make memory desk cards. So I put this one for her birthday with her name, Cami. I hope you can see it with that's too much glare. So that's my little hoop mail for her. I package some of the goodies, things that I'm giving her. So this is one package. Another one for her. This is her card. I handmade her card. And so this is the focal point of the video. We agree on swapping a Maggie Holmes Flourish and Chasing Dreams envelope flip book. So I put together this flip book. My first one, I have never done it with envelopes. I follow a couple of tutorials. It was not easy. So I didn't, the gusset, I didn't make it too wide. So, you know, hey, it's my first one. So, but I put a lot of love and time on this, thinking about my friend. And here on the cover, I use Maggie Holmes ribbon that I got at Hobby Lobby and a golden doily that I purchased at Studio Calico, more bow bunny doilies, and this is the Chasing Dreams and Flourish collections. Chasing Dreams puffy sticker. Here we go. This one is just the cover, Flourish, and these are these fabric frames that I bought probably 2 years ago from one of the Maggie Holmes old collections, and a heart and a puffy sticker. Here we go. This one I included. I couldn't put too many things because, as I said, the gusset was not wide enough. So I cut the stickers. These were from, I believe, Carousel collection. And these are die cuts from Maggie Holmes dies. I can't remember what collection, but so again, I couldn't put too many things because this was my first envelope flip book and need to practice and need to do more, so eventually they will come out really good. These are ephemera from Maggie Holmes old collection, and Flourish. Again, Maggie Holmes old collection, puffy sticker from Chasing Dreams. And in here I'm giving her, I included, oops, a bunch of Maggie Holmes cut aparts from Flourish and this old collection. I didn't have things from Chasing Dreams, so that's why I included the old collection. And in here I put together these shaker card with the month of her birthday, June. And I decided to use these different sequence shapes, stars, and all kinds of different things. And on the back, it's a Flourish collection. And again, Flourish cut apart. Hello, chipboard from Chasing Dreams. The back again, I love this lady from Chasing Dreams. Again, the fabric frames from one of Maggie Holmes' older collections. A mini envelope that I put together with a resin flower. This is from Carousel and Chasing Dreams again. So I mix a couple of things. And then on the back, it's Flourish paper, cut apart ticket, and a puffy sticker from Chasing Dreams. So this is the envelope flip book that I put together for Cami. And this is it. So these are all the things for Cami. See if you guys can see it. I have to take a picture of it. And this is the envelope flip book. And this is it. So if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to your friends, and make a comment. Let me know what you like. If you want to see a tutorial on this one, just let me know in the comment section below. And thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.